Junior.
In a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to start the program, the introduction program. So, participants, please be ready. We have your konti kamu ginapakitihan ni Ma'am Lani. Ang kurang ito ay sa pinatang kami doon sa umpisa kita kanto ng programa. Thank you very much.
Guys daw. Nandiyan man ako. Ara mga guys daw. Ara si Tintina na.
Yung kabiril sila? Yung kabiril sila siya?
Sige lang, agila nga mo. Kinakapto nga naman ilan ko. Muli hawa, brother, sister.
Family sang?
King.
Ang King. Daway man kaya nga sa mga opisya ang mga kon ari di sa puti, ari di sa puti. Sa mga puti. Sa San Sebastian, diri man punggo sa puti ang mga pamilya ka. So mga escort tanan.
So I think we're ready. We're gonna start the ceremony, the coronation ceremony. So I'm giving the microphone to our MC, Mr. Joe Lucero. Joe, it's your turn.
Mga pinalangga, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our host this evening, former Sangguniang Bayan member and legislative officer to the Philippine Councilors League Iloilo Chapter, Mr. Jose Joe Mascolino Lucero.
Good evening, Santa Barbara, Bukal, Kagpalanga. It's an honor to be with you tonight as we focus the spotlight on the most important pillars of our community, our elders. Let's give a round of applause to all the senior citizens in the house. Tunog-tunog na palakpak para sa mga senior citizens. all roads lead to this venue covering the 60 barangays. I know, ibang kaninyo nag-jeep na ina just to be here. 3 years from now, I will be joining your league. Tonight, we have the constellation of stars. And we are going to make it happen right now. So we are inviting everybody to please rise for the prayer, the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, Mr. Rudy Patapagan for his welcome address.
Thank you, Sergio. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome each and every one of you sa inyong pagtambong sa atong kaywatan in connection sa kongrasyon kang atong budya sa senior citizens. First and foremost, to the Honorable Mayor, Mayor Doc Dennis Superficial, for his unending support, ang udyantong ining asosasyon kang mga malam will continue on existing. Welcome, Honorable Mayor. To the coolest person I know in this planet, our municipal administrator, Sir Fred Alastas. Ay kita ko nakita, nakakota, kurusamo, kaya bisa na ka nakasakto. Very cool. Whose support, trust, and confidence are very encouraging so as we could further achieve the goals and mandates for the betterment of the elderly. To our very own Second Congressional District Board Member, Honorable Jill Moldigar, who support to our cause have been nothing short of remarkable. Yan kita nagpagwi si Fortune kung i-listahan ko kang mga lituli. To the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, headed by the Vice Mayor, Honorable Isabelo Aquino, all our SB members, ayhan kung hindi sa anda commitment na suportahon kami ang yang pasyon ayuntan na naway madayon. But then, yan ang SB to support us. Sa kay SB member Honorable Tim Padilla, SB member Honorable Christine Delgado Robles, who chairperson sa Committee on Social Services, my special thanks. Why hindi niyo kami nitabayin? You're always there when we need you. To the SB member Monmon Bautista, na very lang masako, yet indefatigable daw ay pagkakutoy because of his work na nakakoordinate ka mga events sa Santa Barbara. Kag nagkasunurog po ng yan din pwede ang kabalaka na sa mga senior citizens and we so will. To our very own PCL President, SB member, Honorable Wonsing Suliano, who through his office as PCL President has extended numerous project assistance sa atong kabarangayan, including the senior citizens as recipient. Welcome. To SB member, Honorable Guillermo Superficial, a man of few words, yet his action speaks louder than words, evidence by the technical assistance given sa mga kabarangayan. To the everyday SB member, Chabalon, who doesn't have a no in his vocabulary, in ask for help, especially in times na may kompromiso ang senior citizens, yan din permisanda. Thank you, Doc Chan. To SB member, Honorable Chris Culada, another all-silent worker, may kusog lang, pero may tupa. Sa SB member, Honorable Portia Makino has given extra effort to her constituent, especially the helpless senior citizens needing legal assistance.
Salamat gid former SB member Joe Rosero. Ang atong pinalangga nga municipal vice mayor cannot make it today kay ti hambal na buhay rumanta na nakaserbisyo sa politika talataw naman kuno ka tiyempo ang kaugalingon na. So may gipadarata na gid nga sulat si Vice Mayor Biloy Makino para kaninyo tanan. Kag ako lang ang gidesignate na acting municipal vice mayor magabasa kang ana nga mensahe para kaninyo sa selebrasyon kang mutya ng Elderly 2024. Sa aton mutya ng Elderly, Miss Emelita Suhede nauna kag Engineer Ramon Sufficiencia, sa anang ang mga Royal Court, Miss Prisca Sumugod kag Engineer Ambrosio, kay Miss Dinyosa Sumugod kag Mr. Rogelio Soliesa, kay mutya ng Elderly 2023 Madam Lucrecia, to Congressman Michael Goriseta and Dr. Cathy Fermin Goriseta, Provincial Board Member June Mundihar, Mayor Doc Dennis Superficial, SB members present, Honorable Neil Superficial, Honorable Christine Marie Delgado Robles, Honorable Attorney Maria Salvacion Porcia Makino, Honorable Cap Chris Colada, Honorable Doc Cha Soberano Badon, Honorable Ex-Officio Provincial Board Member and PCL President Ramon Monsig Soliano, to our Municipal Administrator, Sir Fred Alasas, Sir Rudy Patupaten, and Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs, Ma'am Teresita Soliesta, of the President ng Senior Citizens Federated Association, mga pinalangga, mga katribo, maayad-ayad na gabi kaninyo matanan. It's a privilege to stand before such a wonderful gathering of experience, wisdom, and resilience. Tonight, as we come together, our gathering reminds us of something truly important: Thanksgiving and having fun at every stage of life, especially this night. Life has given us countless moments to work hard, to grow, and to provide para sa atong pamilya, kag bisan pagani sa aton mga pinalangga nga kapuhan. But this chapter, this beautiful season of life, is about something more. It's celebration. It's about embracing one day at a time with a beautiful heart, having still a curious mind and a spirit ready for adventure, samtang masarangan pa sa aton lawas. Pareho kang aton ginabantayan nga binayli, talad nga gabi. Many people think aging means slowing down or stepping back, but we know better than that kung ano pa ang masarangan ka. We've spent years collecting stories, learning lessons, and making memories. And now, it's time to add more vibrant colors to our graying years, as they say, growing old gracefully. So, let's celebrate now, because fun doesn't belong only to the young, but it also belongs to the young ones and those young at heart. In closing, pinapalabot ng ating pinalangga ang Vice Mayor Biloy Makino that life may give us challenges, but it also gives us endless opportunities to smile, explore, and connect. Sa bagay, ang ininga kahiwatan ng ating Senior Citizens Night and celebration of Thanksgiving for our patron saint, Santa Barbara, aton ginahiwat sa tagsa katuig. May the good Lord continue to look after us and grant us more years to celebrate life in order to serve our purpose to the fullest. Mga pinalangga ko nga katribo, giya ang inyo Vice Mayor Biloy Makino. Enjoy the rest of the evening Mayad-ayad nga gabi kaninyo nga mayad-ayad nga gabi kaninyo sa liwat. Mabuhay ang senior citizens and viva Santa Barbara. Advance happy fiesta. Enjoy and good evening.
Eh? Kaya madayon. Sige lang.
Ang pista sa nayon, hindi kumpleto ang selebrasyon kung ay ang madinuagon kag masadya nga koronasyon. Gani, dagdag na gabi, akin doon ipakilala our sector bearer. Our crown bearer, Mrs. Jeanette Macala. Our bouquet bearers, Mrs. Faye Gonzaga. Mrs. Salvacion Francisco. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together as we welcome Her Majesty from Boyaon, Miss Emelita Soldayon Soidi I, escorted by Engineer Ramon Suficiencia. The cake bearers are Mrs. Lenita Serra, Mrs. Teresita Mijares, Mrs. Rosalinda Sandayo, and Mrs. Monica Sulio. Ladies and gentlemen, Lumpiang Elderly 2024 and her entourage. Our dynamic mayor, Honorable Dennis S. Provincial for his message.
Anong oras?
Mga senior citizens, bayan di gabi, ganyan na
Kaya
tayo.
tawag ko, standby ka lang para ano.
Tuyo na kami.
Buhay, ma'am.
Tuyo na
Buhay
ko.
pa
Nearing towards bedtime, kita talan. Okay, so hindi ako nakakapalawigan, nakakanambal. Mga anak yaw na ako, congratulate you sa mga senior citizens na. No? Of course, ang ating grupo, at ginapapuluhan ka ng ating Oskayet, si Sir Rudy Patupati, ni Ma'am Tisit Suliesta, ating Senior Citizens Federation President, ang tarantarangi. Ilabi na gid sa ating ina, kaya ating Prinsipe Dalan, no? Ang ating mutya 2024, si Her Majesty Ma'am Emilita Subayot, kaya na-escort si Engineer Amon Presensya. Congratulations kayo sa mga princesses, ang mga tanan-tanan ng mga benos niya. Of course, ang ating mga public officials niya, no? Tuya Kumalin, si Alfonso Abandon, Honorable Chris Culata, Honorable Vladimir sa Provincial, Honorable Christine Robles, Honorable Portia Aquino, Honorable June Medial, ating board member, ang ating ex-officio man, ating Liga, o PCL, si Honorable Musik Soriano, member man ng board kang sarili na pananawigan, kung ating administrator, kung si Sir Rudy Patupatin pa. The coolest person that I know is ating administrator, si Sir Fred Alasas. Kinaagaman ko na dyan. Well, anyway, sa tanan-tanan nga nag-builog, napatingayon ng ating programa talan, ang ating MSWDO, no? Ang opisina ng ating MSWD, ang munisipyo, ano na Ma'am Lani, si Fuego. So, sa tanan-tanan kaninyo. And I know that everyone is excited. Pero kung ano ka lain talan, no? Mas ka lain talan. Isaw, kauna, ang ating kabataan, ginalang taon natin, ginarampan pityaw, ginarampan inch, no? Kung sana bulan gani, tubig-tubig, ano na gani, no? Palaguay. Talat mo ng mga kabataan, may kurulag, pungko na sa dagang mga kumada, kung walang asigil na kumada, okay? Wala? It's different. At ang ato na although ang social media, nag-iya sa cellphone natin, tama, kalapat ng coverage, bilang ang kalibutan. Pero, hindi daw mairon ang nagyan natin kauna, senior citizens naman ako, no? Hindi nanda maagyan ating nagyan kauna, nga ating nga, dapat, ginabugno natin. Dahil ginusulyan na kita, no? Ang ating nga kalye dyan, ang ating barangay dyan, as if we were just one family. Ang oran tuod-tuod na social activity, no? Live na social activity, hindi iya sa cellphone. Okay? Kaya nagtanda mo man cellphone, pero hindi mo man kinaman, hindi mo man ano reaction na. Ano reaction na. So it's really different talaga. Kamahay ka mo, tara ko, sabi ng mga kalibutan, tara ko ang suicide because of, especially sa atong kabataan, youth natin. Tara ko ang suicide because of bullying sa social media, sa Facebook or that. Now, isa dyan ang game changer, mga senior citizens, before we leave this world, no, to have peace in heaven, kamano mo ang Australia nagpanguna ka. Dapat i-ban natin ang social media, that includes Facebook, sa mga kabataan na below 16 years old. Kaya hindi sa ang anda mentalidad, hindi kasangan, kang stress in case nga i-bully sa Facebook. Di amak mo rin, i-bully ka sa Facebook, sa ka-click lang, kung ano lang ang lies na istorya ng parte ng imong sa kakibig lang, millions will see it. So, tanato, kabataan, hindi kakanda na. And many of them just commit suicide. Kaya dyan sa Australia, banta, okay? Pero yes, ang nababara, pwede man natin tayo mo dyan. Hindi natin pagtugtan ng ating kabataan na makahalitan kang Facebook at social media. Isa lang yun, ano brahanta, kung tanan-tanan kita magulog yun, isa lang yun. Hindi, tasang tamang baklan cellphone. Gets? Okay. Tanan-tanan yung cellphone, kung mataan dyan niya, Android, na pwede ang Facebook, kumpiska na na doon. Hindi, sa tamang baklan. Natutunta. Okay? Baklan sa tamang convenience lang. Baklan sa tamang cellphone na talk and text lang. Okay? Loro Conjo, former councilor, Joe Lucero, talk and text lang kami kanya. Sabi lang kami kanya ng Android. But anyway, those are the things that we have to think about. Dapat forward. And we will be talking, we will be thinking of our future ahead. We will be thinking of our next generation. Ako man pangayo kung bulikan ninyo. Iyan kami tanan, dyan sa LGU. Iyan kami tanan. Now, kita nyo. Sige man, ubra naman. No? Kasi law man, ubra naman. Pero never in my mind, never in my mind that I sway away or that I move away from thinking about the future of our children. Kita mga senior citizens, iniimaw kita, senior citizen na anak mo. We will not belong in this world. No? Ay, banda, senior citizen, mga tao rin nga daw, lipot lang ang naturog. Diba? Lipot lang rin yung turog. Kalabanan sa senior citizen, maturog sila 3-4 oras, tapos bugtaw. Hindi na naturog, hindi ba? Pero may rason nila. May rason diyan, isa na lipot lang ang naturog. Isa, dali ka na madula sa kalibutan, sa kapaturog. Ano ba? May rason. Anyway, I would like to end up. May joke lang ko. Siyempre ako senior citizens kita, ay napanundong na malatian ta. Ato nga asma, ato nga tuhod, ato nga likod, ato pag-ihi, ato pag-move, ato no. Ato na malatian ta, ito natural na lang. Hindi kita matingala. Because kung pareho sa kita sa makina, medyo na ano makina ta. Okay? Anyway, may istorya, tatlo ka.
To don the sash, may I request SB member Neil Superficial and Mrs. Marilu Sabido. To give the bouquet, we have board member June Mondiar and Mr. Bonifacio Sutashi. To place the tiara, we have SB member Portia Makino and SB member Crisanto Colado. Let's give a round of applause to our second princess, Miss Ninosa Sumugod from Barangay San Sebastian. Once again, thank you very much, SB member Neil Superficial, Mrs. Marilu Sabido, board member June Mondihar, Mr. Bonifacio Sotasio, SB member Portia Makino, and SB member Crisanto Colano. Thank you so much. Let's bring on center stage our first princess and escort from Barangay Zone 4, Miss Friska S. Sumugod, and concert engineer Ambrosio. To pin the sash, requesting ST member Timoteo Padilla and Mrs. Corazon Sumbong. On their behalf, may I request si Stacy Magalion and requesting Sir Fred Las As to accompany Mrs. Corazon Sumbong. To give the bouquet, we have SB member Monmon Sedosta and Mrs. Lani Soncho. To place the tiara on her head, we have SB member Christine Marie Delgado Robles and Mr. Rudy Patupana. Let's give a round of applause for our first princess, Miss Friska S. Sumugod. And thank you very much, Mr. Fred Las As, Mrs. Corazon Sumbong, SB member Monmon Sedosta, Mrs. Ladison Somsho, SB member Christine Marie Delgado Robles, and Mr. Rudy Patupana. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Mundya ng Elderly 2024, Her Majesty, Miss Elenita Soldado Sevilla First, and Concert Engineer Ramon Sopicencia. To bring the sash, requesting board member June Mondihar and Mrs. Teresita Solier. to give the bouquet. Requesting Mambilan Magalion and Violeta Taba. Once again, our Mundial ng Elderly 2024, Her Majesty Miss Adelita Sumayo Sabini First, and concert, Engineer Ramon Sobesencia. Thank you very much, Board Member June Manguihar, Mrs. Teresita Soyesta, Miss Daisy Magalion, and Miss Violeta Gabal. Thank you so much. Alas 3 para naka-make up presenta. That's how excited they are to be here tonight. Ang mga senior citizens sa barangay Umambog, tapos igmaging pangsugat resenda ka dyan. Are we all set? Ladies and gentlemen, our Senior Citizens Federated Associations of Santa Barbara.
Isso dugaan, igwang bigmalaon. Siempre